Okay, so number 1c on 1h is, well, the parent function is going to be y equals x squared. So some good points to plug in. Negative 2, 4. Negative 1 will give me 1. 0, 0. 1, 1. And 2, 4. Okay, so let's look at what we got to do to the function. So first thing that we do is we not multiply, we subtract 3 from the x terms. That's the same thing as shifting right 3 units. So when I shift right 3 units, I take all my x terms and I'm going to increase them by 3. So this turns into 1, 4. And then I've got 2, 1, and 3, 0, and 4, 1, and 5, 4. So if you don't understand that, we'll just plug in 1, this 1 right here, into here. And you get negative 2 squared. Well, negative 2 squared is this. So that's why the y stays the same. Okay, so then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to throw a negative 1/4 in front of that whole thing. And this negative 1/4, well, it really is going to be a vertical shrink by a factor of a fourth. And then you flip it over the x-axis. That's what that negative in front does. But it's the same thing as just saying multiply y by negative 1/4. Whoop. Can't quite select what I want. There we go. Okay, so if I multiply y's by negative 1/4, the x's stay the same, and now the y is going to be negative 1 here. This one will be 2, negative 1/4. This one will be 3, and then that stays at 0. This one will be 4, negative 1/4. And this one will be 5, negative 1. Okay, then there's one last step. I'm going to take what I had before and then subtract 1 from the whole thing. So that's the same thing as moving everything down by 1 unit. So if I move everything down 1 unit, that's the same thing as taking the y values that I just got and subtracting 1 from them all. So this turns into 1, negative 2 instead of negative 1. And this turns into 2, negative 5/4. And 3, negative 1. And 4, negative 5/4. And 5, negative 2. So now I can plot those points. So 1, negative 2 goes right here. Here I'll do 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 goes with negative 5/4, which would be about here. 3 goes with negative 1. 4 goes with negative 5/4. 5 goes with negative 2. And you can tell that you're getting a very kind of flattish parabola there.